In this video, you'll learn how to add a bank account to your OKX Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to link your bank account for easier transactions within the app. First, launch the OKX app on your device. Once the app is open, locate the toggle switch at the top of the screen. Ensure that it is set to exchange mode, as this is necessary for accessing the appropriate features for trading. Next, from the home screen, tap on the Buy Crypto option. This will present you with several trading options. Select P2P trading to proceed to the platform where you can manage your payment methods. After navigating to the P2P trading screen, look for the profile icon, which is typically located in the bottom right corner. Tap on this icon to access your account settings and payment options. Once you're in the profile section, find and tap on payment. Here, you will see an option to add or add account. Select this option to begin the process of linking your bank account. You will now need to choose your preferred currency. After selecting your currency, look for the option to pick bank transfer or your specific bank from the provided list. Make sure to select the correct option to avoid any issues during transactions. Following this, you will need to enter your bank account details. This includes providing your bank account name and account number. Ensure that the name on the bank account matches your OKX verified identity name exactly to avoid verification problems. After entering your details, the app will prompt you to complete a security verification process. You can choose to verify through email, SMS, or a Google Authenticator code. Follow the prompts to successfully verify your identity and complete the bank account addition process